Asian shares tumbled on Tuesday after a meltdown in Chinese stocks sparked a global equities rout and fueled mounting fears over the outlook for the world economy. Shanghai stocks tumbled 6.41% at the open, extending the previous day's plunge on mounting worries over China's faltering economy and its impact on global growth. The dollar was weak against other currencies and oil prices remained in the doldrums after finishing on Monday below $40 a barrel for the first time in 6 years as financial markets sold off around the world. Tokyo fell 4.13% in early trade following a bruising session overnight that saw US stocks fall the most since the height of the financial crisis and European equities slump. Hong Kong opened 0.67% lower after closing at a fresh 15-month low on Monday, while Seoul was trading flat in early deals. The world's capital markets are in meltdown and investors are asking what can stop the panic, said IG Markets Chief Markets Strategist Chris Weston. Global equities took a battering overnight, with US and European markets plunging after an almost 8.50% slump in Shanghai, the heaviest daily loss since 2007, sparked panic among world investors. Chinese shares have been extremely volatile since a huge debt-fueled rally, which saw the market rise 150% in 12 months, collapsed in mid-June, prompting Beijing to unleash unprecedented measures to support the equity market. The dollar remained low at 118.78 yen, little change from 118.51 yen in New York trade on Monday, but dramatically weaker than 122.06 yen seen in US trading on Friday. The euro stood at $1.1570 and 137.50 yen in Tokyo, compared with $1.1606 and 137.55 yen in New York overnight. US benchmark West Texas Intermediate WTI for October delivery was trading at $38.47 after closing at $38.24 a barrel on the New York Mercantile Exchange, its first below $40 close since February 2009. Brent North Sea crude for October, the international benchmark, was at $42.86 a barrel after closing at $42.69 a barrel in London, its lowest level since March 2009.